Ledger is set of accounts or group of accounts. First, we are preparing the journal. Journal is not useful for any decision making point of view. It is also called rub book or book of primary entry. Book of primary entry, book of original entry. So, and after the journals, what are the transactions are recorded in the journals that should be transferred from journal to ledger. Journal to ledger, it is called ledger posting. Ledger posting. What is a ledger? Ledger is a set of accounts or group of accounts. There are and so many accounts in ledger book. Real accounts, nominal accounts, personal accounts, all are including in the part of the ledger. Ledger is also called set of accounts or group of accounts. Real accounts is also there, nominal accounts is also there, personal accounts is also there. So it is called set of accounts. Okay, and come to the when we are preparing the ledger, first we are pass the journal entries before that. Pass the journal entries before that. And here there is a problem is given related to the transactions, and they are asking the prepare ledger accounts. Prepare ledger accounts. Before the ledger accounts, we must pass the journal entries. And here started business with 1 lakh rupees. This is the transaction. The transactions journal entry is there. There are two aspects in this transaction. One is cash, another one is capital. Cash is related to real account, what comes in debit. Capital is related to personal account, credit the giver. Credit the giver. This is the first answer. Next, go to the next transaction. Sold goods to Kishore on credit. This is credit sales. So, and here also there are two aspects. One is sales, other one is Kishore. Kishore is related to personal account, debit the receiver. Sales is related to nominal account, all incomes and profits are credit. So, sales account will be created. This is the sixth transaction. Next, go to the next transaction. Sold goods to Anand for cash. No need to write Anand name in journal entries. Just you have to pass, and there are two aspects. One is the cash, another one is sales. So, cash account data to sales account as per the real account. What comes in debit, and as per the nominal account, all incomes and profits are credit. This is the seventh transaction. Okay. Eighth one transaction, commission received. There are two aspects. One is cash, and what comes in debit, debit. Commission is related to nominal account, all incomes and profits are credit. This is the eighth transaction. Next, 14th transactions, goods written by Kishore, and sales returns account data to Kishore account as per the nominal account. Returns means cancellation, so sales returns account data to returns account to Kishore account. So it is also sometimes a real account, what comes in debit, and credit the giver. So Kishore account will be created. Next, 16th, purchase goods from Murali on credit. So purchases as per the nominal account, debited. Murali is the giver, so Murali account will created as per the personal account. Next, 19th transaction, purchase goods from Mohan per cash. No need to Mohan account. In this transaction, only we are consider purchases and cash. So, purchase account data to cash account. This is the 19th one transaction. Next one, 21 goods returned to Murali. So, Murali is the receiver as per the personal account debit. Purchases returns are credit as per the real account. What goes out? Credit. Next, 21 paid cash to Murali. So, Murali account data to cash account. Murali receiver and cash is and going outside. What goes out? Credit. This is the end up to 21. Next, 22 transaction. Purchase goods per cash 30,000. Purchase account debit as per the nominal account. Cash account is credit as per the real account. What goes out? Credit. Next, 24th, interest received. Cash account data to interest account as per the real account, cash account will be debited. And interest is income as per the nominal account, interest will be credited. Next, 31st, paid salary. Here also two aspects. One is the salary, another one is cash. Salary as per the nominal account, all expenses losses debit. As per the real account, what goes out? Credit. Cash will be credited. Next, 30 again, wages is expenses. Here also two aspects. One is wages, another one is cash. Wages is related to nominal account, all expenses losses debit. Cash is related to real account, what goes out? Credit. Here. Next, rent paid, it is also expenses. Rent as per the nominal account debit. Cash is as per the real account, what goes out? Credit. Next, again 30, and electricity expenses as per the nominal account, all expenses losses debit. Cash account will be created as per the real account. This is the entries as per this problem. Okay, thank you.